Yeah, so I am in Toronto. Life has been a little bit crazy.
About 6 or 7 years ago, I shot the pilot for a CW show called Beauty and the Beast here. We shot right across the street on the roof. I shot a plate of this and I comped in the Beast guy, Vincent, on top of the roof like he's in New York City brooding looking over the city. So this is the location that we use. So I'm actually on my way to a really big visual effects company right now. I'm gonna basically interview them, and it's a city so it's loud, so sorry about the noise. So I'm decided to walk just to have a nice day. I'm also gonna go check out my new apartment that I'm... Yeah. I guess that's what happens when you move to Canadian New York. All right, this appears to be the building that I'm going to be living in. I don't think I've ever stayed in this part of town before. That is how close I am to the CN Tower. It's kind of hard to see, but that is where the Blue Jays play. That is the stadium. So we're gonna be right there. There's a healthy restaurant down the way that I think Becca's gonna like. It has green shakes and she loves drinking green shakes. All right, I'm running a little late. I gotta get to that meeting. I haven't moved yet. I'm actually going back to Los Angeles right now, but I am coming back here. I will catch up with you guys after my flight. Hey, so I am back in Los Angeles now, as you probably gathered. Here's the big news. So I am actually moving back to Toronto for 5 months, 1 week from today. Thank you guys for watching this channel. I do plan on bringing this gear up to Toronto with me and shooting awesome vlogs. I just need to figure things out a little bit. There's a lot of craziness going on right now, but the big reveal is the show I'm going to be working on is called The Boys, and it is based on the comic book by Garth Ennis. It is awesome, awesome, awesome. It is a big, huge superhero show, so being a visual effects supervisor on this show is really big for me. This is going to be like awesome and epic and just amazing. Amazing people are working on it and have amazing people created it, and this is going to be like a big deal. Okay, so just to make things even more crazy in life, not only am I packing up my stuff and going up there for 5 months to work on this show, but we don't even know if we're gonna keep this place. We got some things going on here. We might have to move to another place, or we might just ditch it all together and Becca might pack up everything in a van, put everything in storage, and come up to Toronto with me, which would be so cool. I have to pack up all this stuff and get it ready to go, not only to Toronto, but I have to pack up everything else in this office and make sure it's movable before I leave. So that means this is probably gonna be my last vlog in this setup ever. And it's gonna be my last vlog for maybe a week or two until I get situated in Toronto, and then I'm gonna hit it hard. The good news is you guys are gonna be able to come along on this journey with me and see how a show is visual effects supervised all the way from beginning to end. I will see you guys sometime in the future. In the meantime, if you're looking for awesome Instagram tutorials or anything like that, check out some of my old videos. All the knowledge is there. I promise I'm coming back. This is not over. It's just being put on pause while I uproot and move my entire life. All right, I will see you guys later.